This is Samsung Galaxy A34, and today I would like to figure out what is the maximum camera zoom that this device has to offer. So without further ado, let's zoom in and see the maximum value that we can afford. So as you can see, the highest or the farthest we can zoom in is 10x, and if you will look at the zoom quality, it's pretty decent. It does not smoothens or blurs rather. It does not blur the details to an extent the worst cameras do. So the overall quality of the zoom is fairly good. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.